In this video, let me show you how to switch between the navigation buttons and gestures on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So if you prefer using gestures instead of buttons or vice versa, all you have to do is go into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down and find system and update. Tap on that, and then here you should see system navigation. Tap on that. Currently it's set to buttons. If you prefer buttons, you have the option to change the button layout to use the traditional one with the back button on the right, or select this one with the back button on the left and the multi-view option on the right. So select what you want, and then the gestures to go back home will be the same. Tap on that on the back button to go one step back. Tap on this to see the recent apps, and then tap on this to go back home. Now, if you prefer gestures instead, simply select gestures, and then it's going to give you a tutorial. If you want to learn how to use those particular gestures, simply tap on learn. But if you already know how to use them, simply select that option, and then to go back one page, simply use that. Swipe from the right edge or the left edge, just like that. To go back home, simply swipe up and release, just like that. And to go into the recent apps, simply swipe up and hold. You're going to see all your recent apps, just like that. So whether you prefer buttons or gestures, that's how to switch them. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.